I'm Lorna Sheriff. I'm the National Trail Officer for the South West Coast Path, and my role is about protecting, caring for and improving the trail. The maintenance of the trail is an all year round job. It can be anything from repairing steps, cutting vegetation back, surveying the path. So we don't actually do the physical maintenance ourselves, that's done by our trail partners who are the local councils or the National Trust who are a landowner, but we work in partnership with them to make sure that the path is open and accessible for everybody that wants to use it. The trail costs £1,500 per mile per year just to maintain it, just to keep it open. If we don't have these important donations, however big or small, then we wouldn't be able to do our work. If walkers are looking specifically to book onto a walking holiday, it's really important that they look for ones that are already supporting the national trails. Max Adventure is a company that is trail friendly, so by booking onto it and walking through them, you actually also donate back to the trail, which is really important for keeping it open, safe and usable for everyone. We're looking forward to maintaining our partnership with Max Adventures for the future and seeing improvement works like these happening further around the South West Coast Path.